Hi everyone, so I'm back with another video. I'm acting like people actually care. Hi everyone, so I have another video today and I'm not drunk this time, unfortunately, but one of my goals for this YouTube channel was to bring awareness to brands that either don't get any attention at all or don't get enough attention. And these are brands that are cruelty-free and vegan only, because I think it's important this day and age that we concentrate more on brands that focus on making great products without testing on animals or using any kind of ingredient that has animal byproducts in it. There's so many out there and I just don't think it's talked about enough. So that's why I wanted to do this YouTube channel, to kind of open up that conversation. So the brand we're trying today is Mellow Cosmetics, and I had found them on Instagram. Actually, they're based out of Australia, it looks like, and I purchased one of their palettes. I did buy it at a discount. They gave me a code to get a discount on this product, but I still paid money for it. So this is their Sinopia palette. This is what the packaging looks like. These are the colors. So I've opened it, but I haven't swatched or anything. So I'm really excited to try this out. My face is completely done. It's primed. I have concealer on my eyelids, so we can get a good idea of how these eyeshadows work as if you're actually using them on in your makeup routine. So here's the palette. Ooh. Not too bad. This blue, I could choose whatever palette I wanted, and this blue was the one that got me. I'm a sucker for blues, so I definitely want to use that today. This does have a lot more warm tones than I personally like, but I want to give it a shot. So I don't know what kind of look I'm going to do. All I know is that I want to use the blue. So we're going to see how these eyeshadows perform. Maybe I'll do like some swatches at the end. So I think what I'm going to do is start with this nude color. It's called Nudie. Ooh, you can see right up my nose. So I'm going to start with Nudie right here and just kind of use that for a transition shade. Picks up well. There's some stuff on the brush. I'm still going to tap it off. Did you see all that? That's normal. Ooh. Definitely blend. I like the color because it's very nude for me. Like it's almost sheer, which I like. I went higher than I usually do under my brow here. I just want to blend that out a little bit. Maybe I'll use this pecan color down here just to kind of blend it out a little bit at the top. Okay. I really like this color. I know it's probably a little hard to see. Oh God, what did I just do? It's probably hard to catch this on camera, but in person, this color just really melted into my skin tone. Now I added the white on one side. I should do it to the other. I really like that. It's a nice, like, soft color. The next one that's like calling my name is this one right here. It's called Merlot. This one, I think I just want to do like I don't know. Let's just wing it. We're just gonna wing it. I'm gonna start on the outer corner and kind of work I know my brush is dirty. I'm so sorry. But I'm just gonna work that out a little bit because I don't know what I'm doing just yet. So I don't want to go too heavy. That's also blending out kind of nice. I want to use a different brush though. I want something a little more firm. Let's try this one. I just added a little bit more color onto this just to help blend it. I really like these actually. They kind of melt together really nice. I'm enjoying this. So far we've used 3 colors. We've used Pecan, Nudie, and Merlot. And it looks like that there's 4 nude-ish color shimmers. I think I want to put one of those on the inner corner. I'm not sure yet, but I really want to mess with this blue. Like, I really want to like get in that. So I'm putting that on the lower lash, and we're gonna see how that works out. Okay. Oh, I do like it. I like it. I'm gonna blend it out a little bit more, but I just want to get an idea. I really like that. I'm digging that. Okay, I kind of want to use like a fluffier brush just to kind of blend it out, like just so it's not so harsh. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that on like a sort of fluffier brush and just kind of blend it out. I really like that blue. And it kind of merges really nice with that Merlot color too. Like it kind of just whoosh, like dissipated almost into it. All right, I'm gonna see if I have like a dark blue eyeliner. I'm pretty sure I do. I do have a dark blue eyeliner. I actually have a couple options for eyeliners, but two of them I know are not cruelty free. So I don't wanna talk about them on here. One, I have to check. Let me check their, I have to go to their website because, God, I hope this one is cruelty free because I freaking love it. The struggle is real with, just a heads up, like a company can be labeled cruelty free, but they're not vegan. Personally, I think a brand shouldn't be labeled cruelty free if they're still using products from animals, because the animals just, whatever. No! Oh, I'm so mad right now. The eyeliner I really wanted to use has carmine in it, which for those that don't know is crushed up beetles. So, okay. So I guess we're just gonna go with black then. Black eyeliner, because that's real fun, right? Okay, so this is the e.l.f. No Budge Retractable Eyeliner. It's one of my favorites. I use it every day. So, for the inner corner, I wanted to use one of their shimmery colors. Which one? Which one? I'm gonna go with Champagne. My gut's telling me this one right here, so we're gonna go with it. Now for this one, I wanna use a small, dense brush. Ooh, okay. I really like that. All right. I'm gonna take my blending brush again and just kind of get rid of the harsh lines on here. I like that a lot, actually. That was great. Okay, nice and easy. So I'm gonna finish everything up. I'm gonna do top liner, mascara, lashes, and I will come back. So I just finished putting on mascara, lashes, all that fun stuff. And I totally forgot that when they sent me the palette, I also got like a little lip paint. So before I did my lips, I figured I would do kind of like a first impression with this as well. Obviously, this is just a sample. Let's try it. I like the color. It's very neutral. Let's see. Okay. It feels really good. It's nice and smooth. It's not drying just yet. I like the color. This color is called Auckland. It's a matte liquid lip paint. I think it goes well with the colors in the palette, so this is a good combo that they sent that together. It kind of ties everything in. So as far as like my first impressions go, I really, really like the eyeshadows a lot. I think they go on smooth, blend well, they're pigmented. Let me swatch a couple just so you can see. That one's Dust. Here's Merlot, which we used anyway. I suck at swatches. Sorry. I don't do this normally. This one's called Brick. Just so you can see this blue up close. I suck at swatches. This one's called Cinnamon. I'll just do this last one here. Like, that's pretty good. This palette cost me $20 something 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 shadows. I think that's a pretty good value. The packaging is, it's cardboard. It's not like super fancy, like thick cardboard. As far as the colors go, this isn't a palette I would normally purchase just because I'm not a warm tone person. I don't know, like I'm definitely gonna play around with it more. I think it's a great palette for like day to night looks. Like you can use it for anything. You can make it dramatic, you can make it super neutral. I 10 out of 10 recommend, absolutely. The most important thing about this palette and this lip paint is they are from a company that is cruelty free and vegan, and that is my number one priority. I hope someone goes and buys something from this company after watching this, because I think it's so important to build up small companies, especially ones that are promoting a lifestyle that don't involve cruelty to animals. I think it's about time we start focusing on that. So I'm hoping this channel kind of grows a little bit so I can do these with brands that hardly have any clout whatsoever, and I can help kind of bring them to light a little bit more. So I want to thank Mellow Cosmetics for being cruelty free and vegan. I love that, and having a quality product that I'm happy to talk about. I do want to add a disclaimer to something I said earlier. I was talking about products that I have that are not cruelty free and vegan. I have makeup from when I was like 16, and I am much older than that now. So a lot of the products that I have are not from cruelty-free brands and are not vegan. Personally, I still use these products, but I will never post about them. I will never talk about them or recommend them to anybody. So I want to use up what I have and just get rid of it and forget about it. That's the reason I didn't use those eyeliners, because there was one that was just like freaking perfect, but it had animal products in it. So although the brand is cruelty free, the product was not vegan, which is very disappointing. So I'm hoping that changes in the future. So thank you for watching. Please, please, please think about making a more conscious decision when buying any kind of products, whether it's food, makeup, household items, whatever, to reach for something that is cruelty-free and or vegan. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and check out Mellow Cosmetics. That is MELLOW. They do have an Instagram, Mellow Cosmetics, or mellowcosmetics.com. Check them out. Thank you.